Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel guys and girls. Now, today I'm off to, only somewhere local. There's a new pub opened in town. Well, been open about a month, I haven't been there yet. And they sell some food. I think it's just like burgers and pizzas and stuff like that. So we're going today to have, whether it's a burger or pizza, I'll decide when I get there. It's called the Dirty Cow. So that's where we're going, guys. We're going to go and have a look at a dirty cow. Yeah, good old dirty cow. I don't know if there's any more in the country. I presume there is. So we're going to go there and have a look and see what they do. Now I got, if you see my live stream yesterday, the VE Day one, as I said, it's all been copyrighted. Every song, so there's probably, how many songs were there, guys, if you watched? 20, 30 songs, all been copyrighted, so I'm going to probably leave that up for an extra 24 hours and I'm going to take it down. So if you haven't watched that, it'll be on my live section, VE Day in Lichfield. You might even see a bit of me doing the conga if you haven't watched it. But yeah, but then I'm going to take it down, guys, if you wonder where it's gone. So, anyway, off to the Dirty Cow. There it is, guys, the Dirty Cow. Bar and lounge. Grab the menu, let's go sit outside, the music on in there. Right, let me show you the menu, guys, before I have a look myself. Leader of the pack, 2 juicy beef patties, crispy bacon, American cheese, lettuce, tomato, pickle over a signature dirty sauce in a toasted sesame seed bun served with skin on fries. Music again outside. I'm a bit worried now because I haven't copyrighted. How are you, mate? Yeah, good, sir. Can I have the Dirty Cow, mate, please?
Oh, of course you can. Good choice.
They're nice, yeah?
Really nice.
Yeah, good. Can I have a lemonade or something as well with it, mate, as well?
Yeah, do you want a pint or a half?
I'll just have half, please. What size are your pizzas?
Pizzas.
Do you know what size they are? They're big?
They're like, I don't know, it's
12 inch or something? Or 10 inch? Right. I'll have a pizza. I'll have a spicy pizza as well, mate. Sorry, because I ain't going to eat 2 in one, so I was going to take one home, you see, you know what I mean? But yeah.
As well for the
Oh, you have? Oh, lovely. Can I have one of them as well, mate, please?
pizza.
As
You want
well.
a spicy pizza takeaway box?
Yes, well, please, thank you. I put my mic onto noise reduction, guys. Noise reduction. So I don't know what it's going to sound like. Maybe I might not be able to catch the music so much. But if I do catch the music, I'm going to have to put some music on top or edit it. So, got to make sure I don't get any strikes. Yeah, 20, I think it was 20 or 30 songs on that yesterday. Everyone said I can either edit it, but then there's no video, because it's all about the music. Or take it down. So, 24 hours on that one from the live stream, guys, and then I'm going to take it down anyway. Yeah, this pub used to be, if you remember on one of my videos before, I've been here twice before. It used to be 24 Market Street, and this is where I was going to come to do that breakfast challenge, if you can remember, but the place closed down. Some blokes just asked me if he could sit next to me, so I said, yeah, you don't mind me doing a video, do you? I said, no. So I might get him to try a bit of pizza if he wants to go on the camera. Got a massive dog. Oh, don't bite me, nick me food. Huge dog. What's his name?
Bentley.
Who?
Bentley.
Bentley. Hello, yeah. Bentley.
He drinks beer.
And he drinks beer. Dog getting drunk. Now, guys, I don't know how I'm going to eat this. Look at this beauty. Look at this. Chips. Look at all them chips in there. Look at the burger.
Enough.
Oh my God. There's the pizza. The box wasn't quite big enough, so he's cut it up for me. Would you like a slice of pizza, mate? Would you want a slice of pizza?
You?
You?
Yeah, I'm alright.
You sure?
You eat your food, mate.
Look at that beauty. Try a chip. You want to have a chip, mate? Have yourself, mate. Got a dirty cow sauce. Oh yeah. That is bang on. I need a bib for this, that's for sure. I'm gonna need a bib. Got a dog there, look. Look at that. Bentley's going mad for food. Oh my God.
Nice.
Oh,
Really?
yeah. Oh, that's nice. That is very, very nice. What was that, 16 quid? That is well worth, look at all them. That is well worth the money.
I got my phone storage eventually.
Absolutely well worth the money, that is. I can't show you properly, guys, it's falling apart. I'm sorry, it's the best burger I've tasted in Midfield. 100%. Absolutely. Let's have a look at this pizza. You have to cut it up because
Well, when I was 32, I'm like, I'm a psychopath, I tried.
wouldn't fit in the box, but
Look
look at that.
at
It's all gooey, look.
I'm coming to your mum's 100th birthday. You tell her.
I will tell her.
God bless and I'll give
God bless you. Yeah?
I might buy some champagne, but none of that motor shit.
I'll buy that. I like it.
Hey, do you know what? Years ago, I mean, not, we're talking about things have changed now. Like,
Guys, if you live in Litchfield,
early 90s.
get yourself to the Dirty Cow. 100%. They're lovely, aren't they?
Yeah.
Really nice. There's some more, man. There's loads there, man.
No, I'm alright.
Wouldn't eat all them. Tell you, some of the best chips, the best burger I've tasted, that is. I'll tell you. You need to get yourself some food in here one day. Can I just say, mate, that was the best burger I've ever had in Litchfield. Yeah. Compliments to the chef, absolutely bang on. Oh, and the chips, superb.
Give us a review on that.
Oh, absolutely, you'll be going on YouTube. So, nice one. Take care, yeah, all the best. That, guys, was absolutely delicious. I don't know how much I could show because there's some music at the side. But I tell you, wow, 16 quid, that was well worth the money. And the pizza was 14, and that's nice. I'm going to take that home now. I'm going to get in that some if you can eat it. So yeah, little Bentley drinking his beer. He's what did he say was an Italian Mastiff. That's what he said he was. I can undo that now, actually. There we go. Might get a bit better sound. Yeah, Italian Mastiff. Well, that bloke who was hammered, he's Italian. He said he just split up with his missus, so he's having a few beers. He's hammered. Bless him. Nice bloke though, but he's just hammered. So anyway, guys, I'm going to go back and go get Nat to see if she wants to try a bit of this. Oh yeah, Nat can't try it because of her mouth. Mouth's still a bit sore. Our Rox is trying to grab some, but you ain't having any, Rox. Nat, there was a dog down that pub drinking beer. You shouldn't really give dog beer, could you? But he was hammered, the bloke. But I tell you, sweetheart, we're going to have to go there, you know. It's the best burger I've tasted in Litchfield, sweetheart. It really is. So there's the pizza. Obviously it's going to be cold. You want to try it because of your mouth? Are you sure?
Yeah.
You're not coming on camera. But the burger,
Chilies.
yeah, it's a spicy one, but it isn't really spicy. I've had a bite, it isn't really spicy. You can't do it. Struggling, babe. More for me then. More for... Oh, that lad will have it, won't he? One of the lads will have it.
That's nice.
Nice.
It's not spicy.
It's not spicy, is it? It's not spicy, but it's nice, isn't it? I had a bite and it was delicious. But you wait to see the video, Babby the Burgers. Oh my God, we got to go. You're straight up. I'm going to have to take you. Yeah.
That's nice, I like that.
Yeah, there you go. Nat likes it. She's struggling to eat it, like, but she likes it.
That's what it comes with as well.
Yeah. So guys, there we go. I 100% recommend the Dirty Cow in Litchfield, opposite B&M, Market Street. Absolutely superb. I don't know how much I could show us, soldier, until I edit it. But until the next time, guys, we'll see you later. Yeah, some bloke, drunk he was, he says, can I sit next to you? I said, well, I'm doing a video. And he goes, that's all right. And he comes sat next to me, he's Italian, comes sat next, absolutely hammered. And a massive dog, big Italian Mastiff. And he goes, I'm my dog doing spay, I'm giving his dog beer, a pint glass. I know, you don't do that, do you? Hammered, and he goes, so I'm going now, mate, at the end. I'll give him a bit of the food, bit of the chips and that. At the end, he says, where are you going? I says, home. And he goes, come on the ale, let's go on the ale, let's get drunk. He just split up with his missus or something, he said, today. I know, yeah. Yeah. So there we go, guys. Till the next time. We'll see you later. Nice, innit?
That's nice.
Bye-bye, guys.